इसमें लिखा है shall not be heard by,
नहीं उस भी आ रहा हूँ
फिर
सर
से पढ़ ले।
अगेन सर and shall only be heard not only be heard पॉजिटिव है सर only be heard and decided by
इससे
benches
क्या मतलब, इससे हमें मतलब
सर ये है कि मतलब कि जो नॉर्मल बेंचेस का जो आपका काम था, जैसे 3 मेंबर बेंच में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल केस, जैसे इसी केस में दीवान मोटर्स में was taken up by a regular bench. My lord said कि no in view of this 3 and 5
हम इस तरह कहें कि this case shall only be argued by Mr. Zubairi. Does it exclude other lawyers or not?
it may include, but here is not, it's not the way I say जो इस नेची सर जरा सी एग्जांपल जरा इस पे नहीं लगती कोर्ट में, क्योंकि वहां बेंचेस की बात हो रही है।
शायद नहीं, यकीन मेरी अंग्रेजी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है।
नहीं सर आपकी अच्छी,
मैं मान लेता हूँ जी सर, मैं समझना चाहता हूँ कि जरा मतलब बताएं ताकि हम उस आइन कानून के मुताबिक
सर आगे इसको आप
गलत फैसला
with utmost respect सर इसको आगे भी पढ़ेंगे आप इसको, and shall only be heard and decided benches constituted under rule for bench, बिल्कुल सही बात है। इसमें जो बेंच कॉन्स्टिट्यूट होगी वो सुनेगी, जो और कोई और रेगुलर बेंच नहीं सुन सकती। यही आपके फैसला है। नजर अब्बास में आपका नोट है उसके अंदर माय लॉर्ड का, जिसने 191A को सारा इंटरप्रेट किया है।
Can you point out the provision where the commission is appointing members or nominating members to the constitutional bench? Which provision?
175A
Pardon, please.
my lord, am I with yours?
Just read the relevant part.
जी
191 1 में आता है,
वो 191A1 है
Pardon,
जी
Naji, please read the relevant
जी।
part.
There shall be constitutional benches of the Supreme Court comprising such judges of the Supreme Court and for such term as may be nominated and determined by the Judicial Commission of Pakistan from time to time.
So this provision 191A,
My lord.
this is the power, the provision that gives power to the Judicial Commission.
My lord,
There is nothing else.
nahin, nothing else.
So the power to nominate members who can form part of the constitutional bench.
जी
There is no bar over here that says nobody can be nominated. This can only, it's a one-time thing. It basically says there is a judicial commission
जी
and they will keep nominating
बिल्कुल
members.
जी
So when we read a bar and we constrain ourselves in the judicial order, we are saying that we read this as an absolute bar on our ability to pass a judicial order. So we don't have the ability to, if we go with the way,
My
the
lord.
understanding of 191A, although I say that we don't rely on this, but if we go with this, is there anything stopping this bench from directing the Judicial Commission from constituting a full court? The question being that the bar that is being read appears to be just an act of the Judicial Commission. It's not a bar under the law which says this cannot ever be done.